Hello, Dr. Danger Mouse up here, and today I'm going to show you how to attach a flex shaft to a Dremel 3000. The reason you have flex shafts is because the Dremel is quite heavy itself, and if you want to do very fine engraving or carving, for example, I love Dr. Danger Mouse up, it could be quite taxing on your wrist to be using this all day. So let's get started. First of all, you should have an adapter like that. And next we start to dismantle the Dremel 3000. So press the spindle lock button here, which is the blue button here, and undo the chuck, which is the black bit on the end. Just twist it away from you. Okay, there we go. Don't lose these bits. Now inside we have the collet. Simply pull that out. And the next thing we do is get rid of this collar. And just put them to one side where they're going to be safe. Next we need to put the attachment on. Now if you look at it, you can see there's a screw thread there. That screws onto the end, onto the spindle bit of the Dremel. As we have to attach the flex shaft connector end to the Dremel 3000. Now that's the one, as you can see. Now inside you can see a little I think it's brass connector, so you've got to make sure that that sits squarely in that hole there. So I'm going to just have a little wiggle. There we go. And once you feel that click, you can just tighten it up. Now mine's quite new, my Dremel 3000, so it's quite stiff at the moment. Keep tightening and tightening, and there you have it. You're good to go. If you want to reverse the procedure and take it out, you unscrew, 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 that's it, and it should slut out. Dremel 3000 back together, we simply reverse what we've done. So hold down the spindle lock, unscrew the adapter, take that off, don't lose it. Put the collet back in. This holds the mandrel in place, which is basically what all the tools are attached to. Screw the chuck back on. That's nice and firm. And the collar. And there you have it. Flex shaft attached and deattached. I hope you find this video useful. Please press subscribe and like.